Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya at top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another day. As you can see, another how to cop video, guys. It's a lot of stuff coming out this weekend, from Air Jordans to, as you see now, the Dunks, and even a pair of Yeezys that's coming out this weekend. So for all my sneakerheads out there, this will be a very busy weekend. Now, guys, it would not be me. I would not be your boy Snipe Jones if I don't give you the rundown and tell you some updated things you might need to know about whatever is coming out, because I feel like it's my job, bro. It is my duty. It's kind of like my responsibility as a real one to be able to provide some information to y'all if you are interested in this sneaker. And of course, if you click the video, then you're obviously into the sneaker. Regardless about what today's video is about, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button. And also, if you like getting information about how to buy certain shoes, resale predictions, or anything like that, then make sure you stick around and watch more videos, because I always drop information like this, usually about every big release. Not for like stuff people don't care about, but like for the ones that probably gonna have a hard time getting your hands on, I usually drop videos and educate people on the best way to go about picking up the shoes. All right, guys, we got two Dunks dropping this weekend. Both are fire, in my opinion. Matter of fact, before we even get started, comment down below which Dunk is better. We got the orange and then we got the blue. I want to know. Me personally, I really like that white and orange, man. But after seeing pictures of the white and blue, it's a split decision to me. I think anyone you get your hands on will be pretty cool. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna throw pictures up on the screen for my people who don't know what they look like, just to give you like a better idea, but I think these are both fire. So the Dunks do drop this weekend, the same day, for the same retail price of the normal $100. The orange is being called the Syracuse. I think like we gave it that name because it's the original name is the Orange Blaze. The blue, which is getting like the Kentucky reference, is the Varsity Royal. Either way it go, I mean, I even threw it in my tags because, I mean, at the end of the day, it's what people searching, so I'm gonna give them what they're looking for. So we got the Syracuse and we got the Kentucky, or we got the Orange Blaze and Varsity Royal. Both of these will be dropping March 14th for the retail price of $100. Now, this how to cop will be kind of fairly simple because it's not so, what's the word I'm looking for? It's not so easy to get. You can't just walk into a store and pick these up. Dunks are not really, you know, available as like an Air Jordan or something like that. Quick thing as well, when I copped these, okay, I made a video, I copped these. This is like one of the sneakers I really needed in my collection, and I called these a SB Dunk. Listen, I know the difference between SBs and I know the difference between Dunks. A lot of times when you review so many sneakers, it's easy to slip up. SB Dunk, Dunk. SB Dunk, Dunk. I know that's an off-white Dunk. These are Dunks. They're not SBs. I do know the difference. Y'all went crazy on me in them comments, bro. Don't ever do it again, bro. Nah, but for real though, man, like y'all went crazy on me in them comments. I'm reading them like, golly, bro, like, calm down. My man, calm down. Trust me, all right? I know the difference. Anyways, these Dunks, like I said, I set the release for only $100, and that's what I think is like the dopest part about the price point for Dunks, is because they're so affordable, comfortable, nice, and a lot of times the material is A1. Now you got some upsides and you got some downsides to this shoe, and I think I spoke a little bit on the downside. The downside is they're not as easy to grab because they're not as accessible as a Jordan sneaker or a Yeezy sneaker would be. The Desert Sage coming out this weekend. You can go on Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, Hibbett Sports, Finish Line. Those are all franchises. There's like 30 of them in your area between malls and standalone stores. You can't do that with a Dunk, okay? And a lot of times you can't do that with an SB. They usually don't even go into these stores, especially like the ones we're talking about now. So it makes it automatically harder to get because of basically, look at where you have to go to pick them up. So what I did is, of course, they will be dropping on Sneakers app 10 o'clock in the morning, March 14th. Also, guys, I went over to SNS, which is another raffle source. I'm not sure how SNS is doing it with this coronavirus that's going around. I'm not sure if like they can get anything over here. I know it's not China or anything like that, but it's still overseas. And to be honest, I don't really follow politics as much as I should, so I'm kind of uneducated about if we can get anything foreign exchange. So that might just be up in the air. I've heard stories like people have got, you know what I'm saying, what they were looking for out of it, but I don't want to false educate nobody. Like I said, I just haven't heard nothing. I don't know nothing. So if I don't know about it, I'm not going to speak on it. But what I can say is I did enter the raffle over there as well. And last but not least, guys, so many people have been hitting me up in my DM asking me, are skateboard shops going to have it? Like, The Travis Scott. Okay, so what people got to understand about the Travis Scott, the difference between the Travis Scott and these dunks are dunks. Travis Scott dunks were SB dunks. And the main difference is the SB stands for skateboard. So skateboard shop. Bruh. Skateboard shops usually carry skateboard shoes. So any SB you can find at your skateboard shops. Any non-SB, just dunks. Skateboard shops don't normally carry those. So if you are like calling skate shops, or if you asking me about the skate shops, they shouldn't have them. They probably won't have them because it's not an SB dunk. That's just like a small little tip for my people out there. Now, as I was saying, man, the orange is fire to me, okay? It gives me like that nice, smooth chill. Orange is actually slowly becoming one of my favorite colors. A lot of people know, like, I like green, but orange, man, orange is so calm, so cool. I really, really do like orange, man. Like, orange, I'm not gonna hold you. I think orange is not my favorite color, man. Like, orange has been my, you know, like, the thing is, like, green has been my favorite color for a long time. And I feel like the last 2 years, orange has really been working on me. But I was just like, too hard on green to give it up. You know what I'm saying? It sounds like I'm gang banging. But anyway, that orange is just beautiful, bro. I love that orange. And then you got the white and varsity blue. That one is fire too. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, if you could just pick up one of these, I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm going for both. I'm gonna be greedy. I'm definitely going for both. If anybody hits out there and I tragically don't hit my line, because alright guys, so last but not least, you have the resale portion. So I'm gonna go on StockX real quick and pull these up and see what they reselling for at the moment. Obviously, I know that whatever they reselling for now won't be like the deciding factor because they haven't released yet. So usually whenever a shoe has not released yet and you look on StockX, it's always a higher margin because nobody has them. So let me see. Alright, so right now in my size, the size 12 on StockX, they're going for $298, and that's like before they release. So if you was to buy them for $100, they're going for $298. Obviously, you know what I'm saying, that's a $198 profit. So with that being said, there is some money to be made on these joints. Don't really know how the resale is gonna go as far as like when they actually come out. Now for the varsity blue pair or the Kentucky pairs, everybody know it. And the size 12, they're going for $313. So you get a larger profit margin by like a few dollars, but it is a larger profit margin. So I mean, it is looking like you can make some money off these. I don't think that it's gonna stay like this. I think it's actually gonna stop at like, I think the orange one got a chance to go to like the 250, 260, and I think these varsity blue ones would probably go like the 280, max like 290. I don't really 280. If they go over 280 and like hit the 300 range, I would be very, very, very surprised, because at the end of the day, it's not a collab like an Off-White. It's not nothing, you know what I'm saying, like too far out of reach. It is just a normal dunk. So normal dunks usually don't tend to, like, I mean, for example, look at the plums, right? The plum lows was a great shoe to me. That was a nice dunk, and that one is only going for $217, and the size 12 is going for $250. And like I said, that one had like a little bit better, different strokes of material, some suede or you know what I'm saying. So I think, like I said, in my opinion, I think anywhere from 280, from 250 to 280, you know, from that realm. If it goes over 280, I'll be shocked. But with that low price point of $100, I mean, you really can't exceed that. I don't think these shoes ever released before. I do know that the orange dunk did release earlier in a high. I'm trying to remember what year was that. Let me see if I can pull that up. Yup, so they released the orange dunk high, like the high Syracuse. These came out in, what year was this? 2016. Yeah, so these came out in 2016. I knew I seen those before, just didn't know. I don't think if they dropped the high in the varsity blue, but the orange ones definitely did come out in 2016. Dang, 2016, man, time fly, bro. 2016, like, when you say 2016, I really got memories of 2016, but now, like, I look up, it's 2020, it's like, bro, am I getting old, bro? Crazy is, as I'm literally giving this speech about, like, the dunks, I just got something from J23 saying that they're dropping some in selective cities, so I'm trying to, like, multitask and do this at the same time right now. I don't think Atlanta's gonna be a city. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. I just thought it was weird the way they just told me that, and I'm over here giving a how to cop video. I don't know, but anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the rundown of the Nike Dunk Syracuse and the Nike Dunk Kentucky, man. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I really think that this shoe will be fire. I will be after both, no question about it. Hopefully I get both of them, man. I really, really do want both. Like I said, resale will be like a couple dollars. This shoe probably will be hard to get. It's not a lot of pairs, and more importantly, it's not a lot of ways to get pairs. So I know that your tier 0 stores probably will have them. in your area, so you need to be like calling your tier 0 stores, finding out if they're gonna carry them or not. But other than that, man, that's just about it for me. Any questions at all, man, you can find me at Sniper Jones. My Instagram and Twitter is always linked down below in the videos. Make sure you head over there to give me a follow. I always do updates on what's dropping. Even if something changes from my original video, I always update people on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you are following me. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.